Hi, this is Logan with Salt. Today we are going to unbox the Rivule 6x2 HDMI matrix. We're going to take a look at some of the cool features that this guy has, like PolyShift and PolyView, which makes it really convenient. But first off, let's take a look at what's inside here. So the contents of the box are pretty simple. First up, we've got the quick start guide. This has all of the instructions for using the unit as well as the warranty information. We've got the remote control, which is very slim, easy to use, and easy to understand. We have the wall wart power supply, which is pretty standard for this type of electronics. And lastly, we've got the unit itself, which has some very cool features. It comes in this lovely packaging. It's static resistant, so you're sure to get your product in good working order. If you take a look at the bottom of this, you've got a nice rubber foot to make sure it's not going to slip and slide around on the bottom of your electronics cabinet. And one of the nice things about this is instead of having the feet over on the corners here, you've got one solid foot on the bottom, so if you have to stack it on top of something, it's not going to slip around or fall off. If you take a look at the front of the unit, you've got your on-off switch right here, some indicator LEDs to tell you what you're pulling from and what you're sending video to, as well as some of the functions of the unit. You've also got the buttons right here that let you control the functionality of the unit. If you take a look at the back, you've got all of your input ports right over here. You've got your output ports right here, as well as separate audio ports for 3.5mm audio, just regular headphone jacks, Toslink audio or optical audio, and then right here we've got the input for the power supply. So for now, we're gonna head over to our testing center so we can show you guys how this thing works. The Rivule is a 6x2 HDMI matrix. That means you can have up to 6 inputs. Right now we're using 5 and 2 outputs. So we've got TV A and TV B. What I can do is, using my remote right here, I can send any one of these inputs to either of my outputs. It's really easy. All you have to do is, for instance, take input number 2, send it out to TV A by just hitting the 2 button to send it out to TV A. It takes just a moment to work. This is actually a lot faster than most matrices on the market right now. This is our PolyShift feature, that's speed. So as you can see, we're pulling from our DVD player on TV A, our Xbox on TV 2. If I want TV 1 to be my Apple TV and TV 2 to be my phone here, it's just a push of a button to make that happen. Wait for just a moment, and then it all comes up. So another feature is, in order to make sure that you know what's going on all of your screens, we've got a PolyView feature which lets you pull up all of your screens simultaneously and gives you a breakdown on what's coming in to each of your inputs. So you can use the PolyView feature to pull up your inputs right here, cycle through them, and then pick which one you want to display on both TVs. This unit does 4K by 2K resolutions. It does that at 60 Hertz. It does HDMI 2.0, so it's future-proof. It'll work with all of your equipment, and really easy to use, really easy to set up. If you do happen to lose your remote, you can also switch just using the toggle buttons right on the front of the unit. You can put it to whichever input you'd like to pull from, and then that will be reflected up on the screen. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment. Check out saltlabs.net or subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.